All right. Hey everyone. So this is me, Anupam, and Chika from marketing team of Carigaar. This is the third episode of marketing talk, which where we share our inputs and information about what we are doing in our on this SaaS product startup. So I will be talking about what marketing things we are doing in Carigaar and how it is like being like getting bigger and what we are trying to do to scale it up. So firstly, I will be talking about the local engagement which we are doing. So as Karigar is a new app, as everybody know, so we are trying to talk to service providers and onboard them, sourcing clients and for clients needs and acquiring data on customer needs and the services they provide. So we are collating all this data so that we can have a huge database. So currently we are trying to reach out to all the small businesses and all the small workers who are working individually and independently. And then we are trying to onboard them and list them and like showcase their features or their services to all the people who are there in Canada and like different places in Canada. And secondly, as a marketing thing, we have took an initiative to like give a rebirth to the old habit of sending postcards. So what Carigar is doing is like we are making a postcard and we are trying to put a QR code in that postcard and we are trying to distribute it among people locally, so that what they can do is they can start writing in the postcard and send it to their loved ones, and along with them they can like scan the QR code of Carigaar and take the services what Carigaar provides. So this helps one know about Carigaar and also like forward that to somebody else. So we think that it will be like it will be like word of mouth. Like if I'm sending you a postcard, so I'm sending you the postcard with a little information and also like maybe the Carigaar QR code. So wherever you are, you can use the Carigaar QR code there also. And the third is we are trying to make our social media presence huge. So on that, me and my friend Chika is we are trying to post as many as videos or photography content over social media, and we are trying to expand it like in a different way. We are trying to create new photography and videography, and we are trying to post this where we capture most of the things what Karigar does. Why we are focusing on this videography and photography? Because like the if you know the Instagram leader Adam Mosseri have said that like when TikTok and other platforms were there, Instagram was competing on like making their presence. So they have introduced this thing called Instagram Reels, which also helped Instagram to balance their marketing in the competitive market of TikTok and other platforms. So Karigar also has this feature where you can post pictures and videos, which Chika will talk to you in the later part of the this discussion. Karigar also has this feature which will be introduced in like 1 or 2 days, where like you can be live and you can showcase your the daily work or the service which you are doing. So video content is something which is like the future, and people think that like by the video it is more real, more true. People know that what they are seeing and what they are doing, so it creates a like a trust. It makes a trust. So that's what we are trying to like tell people and get into people's mind, that like we are safe and we are trying to make our products and other people products highlighted by showing their skills over the video through our Karigar app. Now I will tell Chika to talk about his points.
Oh, thanks very much, Mr. Gash. So, I'm going to talk about certain things, certain frequently asked questions about Cariga. We know that definitely Cariga is a very interesting tech piece. Is awesome, is good, is one of the best out there. I've seen the likes. I've seen many different parts of the world will have several apps that does similar things, but none come close to what we have in the Carigaar experience, because it gives you virtually everything you need when it comes to connecting with businesses, clients to business relationship and connections. So having said that, I want to touch briefly on two frequently asked questions. One of them is how can businesses upload their business? How can businesses upload their business posts? I mean, their business photos and their posts. So because that's a very awesome feature of Carigaar, whereby we can businesses can showcase their pictures, whatever they've done, what they think that the clients would want to see, so that they will come up, tops, in terms of hiring and connection with their clients. So they can put out the pictures out there, put out several pictures. In fact, it is very, very amazing feature. It's a very amazing feature of Carigaar. And it makes the business have a competitive edge or competitive advantage, when it comes to connecting to clients, because clients will actually want to see, what you've done, in the past, or what you've been doing, so that they will be able to hire you, or they will be able to connect with you and say, okay, fine, come and do my job. Because if you are a lawyer, you can post a picture of yourself, in your law firm, or probably you're a carpenter, you post a picture of probably one of the contracts, one of the deals, or one of the things that you've done in the past. So these things tend to, have a very good effect, because, clients will definitely see, or customers will see that and say, yes, this is the best fit for my job, then they will hire you. So how can they now list, or how can they now, upload those pictures on Carigaar? It's very simple. Very simple. First of all, they have to create the accounts. And when they create the accounts, they have to list their businesses. By the time they list their businesses, they will go live on Carigaar. So now to upload those pictures, they can go to profile. By the time they go to profile, they click services, and a short form will appear on their screen, on their mobile screen. A short form will appear, and definitely they will see a section that says upload images. You can upload several images of you in various forms of your job, probably the beginning and end of your job, or probably completion of your job, or probably job that you've just done in the past, or anything that you think might be of value to the customers or to the clients. So like I said, it can boost your chances of getting hired or getting booked. So, I mean, it's a very interesting and exciting feature of that Carigaar app, which of course everybody can key in. Secondly, I want to talk about one client from Ontario, one prospect from Ontario asked this question: what kind of businesses that can list on Carigaar? I asked what business does he do? He said he is a painter. I said definitely painters can list, but in addition to painters, there are several businesses that also can list, a wide range of businesses, because Carigaar is aimed towards encouraging small businesses to grow. All kinds of small businesses can list on Carigaar. If you're an electrician, you're a carpenter, you're a beautician, you're an attorney, you're a painter, you're an accountant, you're a healthcare worker, you're a contractor, marketer, anything, digital marketer, you can list on Carigaar. It's very, very easy. And I know, the exciting thing, Carigaar these days, from time to time, we want to promote some of their, Carigaars, as we call it. Want to promote some of their Carigaars. So it's just what we do for free. We can do such things. At least for now, it's for free. Any business can take advantage of this. I've told a prospect of that feature, and he was very excited, and he listed, and he was seeing progress. So any business from any sector, be it skill trades, retail, manufacturing, services, and so on, can list on Carigaar. So our aim is just to help businesses to find the customers and customers to find the businesses that they need. And new businesses are welcome. Carigaar is actually perfect for them. So, I mean, it's a big deal. It's a good deal for everyone. That win-win situation. The businesses win, the customers win, everybody goes home very happy. And that's what Carigaar is all about.
That's great. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that. And it was really lovely.